Is your Centurylink router blue light blinking nonstop generally indicates a connection issue between your router and the internet, often related to signal strength, configuration, or technical problems. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix this issue and get your internet back up and running. Let's get started. If your Centurylink modem light is blinking blue, it can be frustrating. A blinking blue light usually means your modem is one of three things. Powering up, normal during startup, trying to establish a connection. If it takes too long, there's an issue. If it blinks for hours, something's wrong. Needs troubleshooting. Follow the steps to fix it. Step 1. Cycle your router. Unplug your router from the power outlet and wait for at least 30 seconds. This gives it a chance to reset and clear any temporary issues. After waiting, plug your router back in and wait for the lights to stabilize. If in solid white or green, you're back online. If it's still blinking, keep watching for more steps. Step 2. Check for service outages. Check for service outages in your area. Sometimes a blinking blue light is caused by a problem with your internet service provider. To check, visit the Centurylink website or use the Centurylink app to see if there are any ongoing outages. Once the service is restored, your blue light should stop blinking. Step 3. Check cable connections. Inspect your cable connections. Make sure all cables, including the power cord, Ethernet, and coaxial cables, are securely plugged in. Loose or damaged cables can cause connectivity issues. Check the coaxial cable connecting your router to the wall outlet. A loose or improperly connected cable can prevent the router from syncing with the internet properly. Step 4. Check for firmware updates. Connect to router via Ethernet. To check your firmware version, visit the Centurylink router login IP address 192.168.0.1. Use default username and password to log in. Go to Utilities option and navigate to Update Firmware option. Update latest firmware. Step 5. Reset the router to factory settings. Reset your router to factory settings. If the above steps haven't worked, try resetting your router. To do this, locate the reset button on the back of your modem. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds using a paper clip or pin. This will restore the router to its default settings, which may resolve any persistent issues. Once reset, you'll need to reconfigure your router settings, such as internet settings, your Wi-Fi network name, and password. Step 6. Contact Centurylink support. If none of the previous steps worked, there might be a more serious issue with your router or internet connection. Reach out to Centurylink Guest Customer Support Team for further assistance. You can call their support line or chat with a representative on their website. They can walk you through additional troubleshooting steps or help you arrange a technician. If in doubt, Centurylink support team is always ready to assist. We hope this guide helped you fix the blinking blue light on your Centurylink router. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.